Looks like you're interested in the inflammation relief tea. Awesome. It's an amazing tea, but I can tell you have a few questions, so I'm going to go ahead and answer those for you right now. Number one, inflammation relief tea has 0 caffeine and it's made with all organic ingredients. What this amazing tea does is it helps to cool your body and relieve inflammation naturally and also help relieve stress. And it does that with these amazing botanicals that are in the tea. The main ingredient is tulsi. It's also known as holy basil, and holy basil has been beloved for thousands of years in India for helping to do just that, relieving inflammation, clearing the mind, relieving stress. And then we also added some other inflammation fighting herbs like ginger, like calendula, and then herbs that cool your body down because inflammation means heat. Herbs like rose, lavender, and mint. The whole thing together makes a very soothing tea that is just wonderful for inflammation of all sorts, joint, gut inflammation, allergies, irritations in your skin. All these things will really be benefited by this amazing tea. Inflammation relief tea is ideal for you if you are dealing with chronic inflammation, chronic stress. If you work out and you want to have a tea to help you recover more quickly. It's great if you have chronic allergies, gut issues. It's great for inflammation anywhere in the body. So if this sounds like you, if this sounds like something you're dealing with, and you want something that's completely organic and caffeine free, inflammation relief tea will be perfect for you. Now let's talk about who inflammation relief tea is not for. If you're pregnant, nursing, on medication, or under a doctor's care for any reason whatsoever, talk to your health practitioner before you get it. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to prepare. You're going to need some type of a tea brewing accessory, and today I'm going to show you how to use a tea infuser mug. It comes with a built-in tea infuser. So I'm going to take this lid off, and this here is the stainless steel infuser. So this is an 8-ounce cup. I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of the tea, and this is how you brew it. 1 teaspoon of the loose leaf tea. You put that in your infuser. Pop that in your cup. Pour on the hot water. Then you put the lid on the cup, and that's going to hold in your aroma and your flavor while it steeps. We recommend steeping inflammation relief tea for 5 minutes or longer, so I'm going to go ahead and set my timer for 7 minutes. The flavor of inflammation relief tea is very neutral. It's soothing and it's herbal. It's not anything that's really bitter or sweet or anything like that. It's just a neutral, smooth, herbal taste. There's no bad time to drink inflammation relief tea, but if you really want to maximize the anti-inflammatory benefits, drink a cup after you work out. Drink a cup anytime you feel achy. If you tend to get bloated after your meals, drink it after your meal. It's been 7 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and take the lid off. Flip that over, let the tea drain from the infuser. Give it a teeny shake. Just stay right there and you're good to go. Drink to your health.